Okay, here doing the maintenance. So we got going on. The inducer already came on. I set the thermostat to about 80. So we got the igniter going and we got the burners. So the burners are lit. Few seconds, then the fan motor should kick on. So I already replaced the filter. That was the filter there. It's one of those accordion type filters. So now the fan just came on. So pulling about 2 or 3 total amps for the unit. So I'm also, what I'm doing is checking my gas pressure here, make sure it's within the, see if you can see there. So my incoming is 4.7, outgoing is 2.56. So this is a 2-stage gas valve. So it's operating on low stage right now. So if you look down here, see if we can focus a little bit. Where are we? So manifold pressure is 3.2 to 3.8. That's on high, and on low it's between 1.4 and 1.5. So I may have to adjust the gas pressure, because right now it's on low stage, but it's a little too high for it to be on, gas pressure is a little bit too high for it to be on low stage right now. So what I'm doing also is checking return air temp, and then we got the supply air temp up there. So again, just want to make sure that everything is within specs. That temperature rise on the data plate. So we'll let this run for about 10 minutes, see if it kicks into high fire, and finish up this maintenance here, and then adjust the gas pressure if needed to. So basically, these are the how to adjust the gas pressures here. So for the low, we would unscrew this, and there's another screw behind there, and then we would slightly turn it until we either see the gas pressure going up or going down. So we'll let it run for a good 10 minutes. Inducer motor here, it's nice and quiet. Well intact. I don't hear any vibration. I don't hear anything going on with the blower itself down here. So yeah, the flue looks pretty good. Nothing looks corroded or rusted out. And looks like on the back side here they have a humidifier, so we'll go ahead and test that out too as well. Humidistat is programmed at the actual thermostat. This is one of those Infinity controls, Infinity systems, so it's all plugged in at the thermostat upstairs. So depending how they have it set at, it'll add moisture in the air. So it looks like our amps is going up a little bit. All right.